Are you struggling with stubborn acne and tired of trying expensive products that just don't work? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll share some of the best natural ingredients to help you treat acne easily and effectively, right from the comfort of your home. These solutions are simple, affordable, and free of harsh chemicals. So, let's get started. 1. Honey and cinnamon mask. Honey is a natural antibacterial agent, while cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. Together, they create the perfect combo to fight acne. How to use it? Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Apply it to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. This mask not only kills bacteria but also reduces redness and inflammation. 2. Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe vera is widely known for its soothing and healing properties. It's great for calming inflamed acne and reducing scars. How to use it? Extract fresh aloe vera gel from a plant leaf. Apply it directly to the affected areas. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then wash it off with water. Aloe vera is gentle on the skin and perfect for daily use. 3. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a powerful natural remedy for acne because it has strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. How to use it? Dilute 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil. Apply it to the acne spots using a cotton swab. Leave it overnight for best results. Remember, never apply tea tree oil directly to your skin. It's very strong and needs to be diluted. 4. Turmeric and yogurt paste. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic, while yogurt helps hydrate and soothe your skin. How to use it? Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse off with cool water. Turmeric fights bacteria and inflammation, giving your skin a healthy glow. 5. Green tea toner. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that can reduce sebum production and fight acne-causing bacteria. How to use it? Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool completely. Use a cotton ball to apply it as a toner or pour it into a spray bottle. Use it daily to cleanse your skin and reduce breakouts. 6. Apple cider vinegar spot treatment. Apple cider vinegar balances your skin's pH and removes excess oil that causes acne. How to use it? Dilute 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water. Dab it on the acne spots using a cotton ball. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse it off. Be sure to dilute it, as it can be harsh on sensitive skin. Final thoughts. Acne can be tough to deal with, but these natural remedies can work wonders when used consistently. Everyone's skin is different, so try these remedies one at a time and see what works best for you. Let us know in the comments which natural ingredient helped your skin the most. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay beautiful.